Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the version of AMD Radeon software you have launched is not compatible with the graphic. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, what you want to do is head over to Search and type in Device Manager, then click on it. Once you're inside Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. From there, right-click on your graphics card and select Properties. Now click on the Driver tab at the top and wait for it to load. Then choose Rollback Driver. For me, it's grayed out, but for you, just click Rollback Driver and follow the on-screen steps to revert to the previous driver version. After doing that, you want to head over to the official website of AMD, which is amd.com. Here, scroll down and select Graphics, then select your graphics card model. Once done, click Submit. This will allow you to download the latest drivers for your graphics card. Once the driver finishes downloading, install it on your computer. After the installation is complete, restart your PC. When your system boots back up, the problem should be fixed, and that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the version of AMD Radeon software you have launched is not compatible with the graphic. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.